So this is the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro Harry Potter edition. It has many details hidden. We have done a review of the regular phone, so if you want to check that out, you can find it in our channel. And if you want to get this phone, you can head to Geekwills for it. But before I unbox it, I wanted to remind you that there's something else besides the phone. There's the speaker and the keyboard, all Harry Potter edition. They're not on sale yet, that's why we don't have them here. But if you're interested, you can get them from Geekwills. Alright, back to the phone. So as you can see, the box is different from the regular edition and many details of Harry Potter already. The 4 letters at the corners mean the 4 houses of the Hogwarts. And in the middle, the seal has many elements of the 4 houses. At the side, there's the last scene where Harry and Voldemort fight. At the bottom, there's the Death Hollow symbol. And in fact, the symbol is all over the package in a very light gray print. I like this design the most as it reminds me a lot of the scene actually. Now pay attention to how the box opens. It is different, right? Then the drawers inside are red. There's a card with the 3 main characters on it. Then the deer, the Patronus of Harry. On the top there's the case for accessories. The most exciting piece is this pin right here. This pin shaped as the symbol of the Death Hollow. I must say the build quality is really good. On the box, there are Harry and Voldemort, and it says neither can live while the other survives. Let me know what episode it comes from if you know it. At the back there's the saying, also comment down below if you know where it comes from. In the case there's the phone case, some stamps and a user guide. Let's come back after we check the phone. So here's the phone. I must say Redmi did a really good job making all the designs here. First, the main characters are in the top right corner. Then the other half, it's Harry. Then the fight scene with the Voldemort. And some gold Harry Potter names here. The crack in between, I believe, represents the power from the wand. The camera module is also very well designed. Now, I think the theme of the back panel is about the fight between Harry and Voldemort. Every element is very true to the movie. Do you like them? One thing to note here, this edition is limited, so if you want to get it, you need to act fast. Now coming back to the phone case and the stuff, on the user guide, there's the symbol of Dumbledore's army. Then the stamps are made with some scenes from the movie. I like them a lot. The case though, it is very well designed. It is a soft plastic. Then the cutout for the camera is unique, so it does not cover the camera module and the design. Then the other half is covered by some sort of fabric and there are gold symbols on it. And then the inside, there's also a soft fabric with the Death Hollow symbol on it. The buttons at the side are themed also. So overall, the phone case is very good. Now the phone, when you boot it up, there's the theme of the power connected, then the theme itself. Actually, there are 2 themes, one blue and one red. You can choose one in the settings. Some icons of the apps are themed like the clock app. It is like an old watch. And when you swipe back to the page, there's an animation. And the AOD pattern is also the Patronus. When the phone is charging, the animation is blue and red. Last but not least, the charger and the cable are black with some elements on the charger. So overall, I think this collab between Redmi and Harry Potter is excellent with a lot of elements all over the phone and the package content. If you are a Harry Potter fan, you will recognize and love the value here. There are also other accessories other than the phone. So if you like these, you can get them from Geekwills. The phone is very limited, so best to get it ASAP. I'm with Gizmochina. See you next time.